Alright, so I'm currently on Burnside Drive and I'm heading over to I need to have my paper, you know. I'm heading over to Grinnell Street in Dallas. Make a right on Ramona Avenue. There's some repairs going on. Okay. Here on Ann Arbor Avenue. Yeah. Temperature now is 99 degrees Fahrenheit here in Dallas. We're currently back on Ramona Avenue. Grinnell Street. Okay. All right. Pause my stop. Alright, I'm gonna go down there so and turn because I think I passed the stop. And I'm going to do an illegal turn somewhere down here. So they look like police are down them side here. So let's all pretend like we didn't see it. Alright people, we didn't see it. We can't make it over. Oh. Yeah. Alright. Then stop right here. So we're gonna go back up onto Grinnell Street. Alright. And please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on for more. Alright, until then, bye.